How to connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you'll have to open up your Exness app and make sure that you're logged into your account. So you just want to head over to your account section and then click on details. Now here you'll find all of your details. Now you just want to head over to the settings tab at the top right corner. Now what you're going to do here is copy the server. So just tap on this copy button. Now you're going to open up your MetaTrader 5 and make sure that you are logged in here as well. And then from here you are going to go ahead and tap on codes. And then from here tap on manage accounts and tap on add account. Now from here you are going to find a broker, so just paste the address that you've just copied and tap on this. Now here you'll just have to provide your login details. So what I'm going to do now is go back to my Exness app and then copy my login ID. And then I'm just going to paste it right here on my login ID. Now you can just enter your password and tap on login and both of your accounts will be connected. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.